So guinea pigs tend to have annoying habits, and one of them is digging under their fleece. And not only is it just annoying because you have to fix the fleece a lot if they dig underneath it, it's not healthy for them because they go to the bathroom on the fleece, and if they dig underneath it, they're breathing in all the ammonia and they can get illnesses really quick. So my boys, the new boys, Dilly and Jesse, are fleece diggers and they love it. So to fix it, I give them a extra fleece just for them to hop around in, do whatever they want. And I also have where the fleece ends and where the other begins, I have bricks right there and there. And the corner has a brick. This corner doesn't have a brick, but they don't scratch under the fleece because they're so entertained by this one. They just want to be warm and they're probably skittish, so they like to be secure. So it really does help. Some people say it's really, really annoying that their guinea pigs hop under the fleece, but I don't really think it's that bad. They could be doing worse, I guess. So yeah, that's how I fixed it. Your guinea pig might be different. You can try those, but it really worked with the boys because they were digging under the fleece a lot, and they would be under there all the time. And then I just did these few things, and they stopped. So it worked really well, and they haven't done it since.